That need to be spot है.
जय शरण बाबा जी.
अच्छा चलेगा. अब उल्टा रख पैकेट में रखते हैं. किसी के साथ यूनिट के चेंज किसको चेंज करो. बेटे अंदर वो बाकी दिनू भाई सबको बुला लो. वी नीड टू स्टार्ट विद टाइम.
जय शरण बाबा जी.
जय शरण. रणवीर का सुबह 4:15 बजे मैसेज आया कि ही इज हैविंग अ बैड हेडेक. रघु क्या चाय बनी है राजा. The flavor is so different. The people who are having coffee may not know, right? बिस्मिल्लाह और रहमान. हाँ इधर आइए बैठे. Dina when Korea sit in front of me. Bhai should not see me sitting. नहीं इसमें चीनी नहीं है पुत्र. दे पुत्र. ये पुत्र चाय वो नहीं है. ये इस चाय का नाम है बम चाय. इसकी ऑलरेडी ब्लैक शुरू हो गई है. बड़ी मुश्किल से बचाया मैंने. 2-3 लोग तो एलिमिनेट कर दिए मैंने चाय से उनको. हाँ आ जाओ. चलो पुत्री. So first thing is today we've been missing home for last few weeks and we'll go back to home. My only part is that when we come out talk about home, try and get one thing mera bacha. Home is just not a word or a sound. It is the universe. The universe. And when you are blessed to take an opportunity and name of the universe, that means it's a blessed opportunity to connect yourself internally with the universe and lighten up the brightness inside you. That's all. Nothing else. Right? Shri Sachidanand Satguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Puत्र, one very important thing is that आप जब फोन कर रहे हो, you have to breathe in also. आप breathe in नहीं कर रहे हो. It's not necessary, but क्या होता है कि when you're sitting outside in the fresh park more, as much you can feel and give oxygen to your body, it is very helpful. I see not most of you breathing deeply. Don't worry about you'll come up. In second split second में आएगा, but breathe as much deeper you can. See your body organs. It is said it is a study. They don't. You guys can Google it and find it also. That suppose there are canceric cells in your body, but if the oxygen intake is very good, they can't sustain. So if all of your organs get good oxygen, they can't sustain in your body. As much when we sit, Baba's blessed opportunity for how long we will have to sit outside and take it. Take a deep breath. Don't worry. Let the sound come. It's fine. But take a deep breath. Release it. Take it. Release it. Take it. Release it. At least one day of the week, fully you can enjoy your whole organs. Let them enjoy. So, Putra, I need one volunteer today to read Science Acharitra in English. Who wants to read it, Putra? Aja. Chapter 5. Kapila. Somu, we can't hear you, Putri.
Chapter 5. Baba's return with Chand Patil's marriage party, welcome and addressed as son, contact with other saints, his attire and daily routine, the story of the Padukas, wrestling bout with Mohinuddin, and change in life, turning water into oil, the pseudo guru Jahveer Ali. Return with Chand Patil's marriage party. As hinted in the last chapter, I shall now describe first how Sai Baba returned to Shirdi after his disappearance. There lived in the Aurangabad district, Nizam state, in a state called Dhub, a well-to-do Mohammedan gentleman by the name Chand Patil. While he was making a trip to Aurangabad, he lost his mare. For 2 long months he made a diligent search, but could get no trace of the lost mare. After being disappointed, he returned from Aurangabad with the saddle on his back. After traveling 4 kos and a half, he came on the way to a mango tree, at the foot of which sat a fakir, queer fellow. He had a cap on his head, wore kafni, long robe, and had a satka, short stick, under his arm, and he was preparing to smoke a chillam pipe. On seeing Chand Patil pass by, he called out to him and asked him to have a smoke and to rest a little. The queer fellow or fakir asked him about the saddle. Chand Patil replied that it was of his mare, which was lost some time back. The fakir asked him to make a search in the Nala close by. He went, and the wonder of wonders, he found the mare there. He thought that this fakir was not an ordinary man, but an Avalia, a great saint. He returned to the fakir with the mare. The chillam was ready for being smoked, but two things were wanting. One, fire to light the pipe, and two, water to wet the chappi, piece of cloth through which smoke is drawn up. The fakir took his prong and thrust it forcibly into the ground, and out came a live ember, which he put on the pipe. Then he dashed the satka on the ground, from where water began to ooze. The chappi was wetted with that water, then wrung out and wrapped round the pipe. Thus, everything being complete, the fakir smoked the chillam and then gave it also to Chand Patil. On seeing all this, Chand Patil was wonderstruck. He requested the fakir to come to his home and accept his hospitality. Next day, he went to Patil's home and stayed there for some time. Patil was a village officer of Dhub. His wife's brother, son, his wife's brother's son was to be married, and the bride was from Shirdi. So Patil made preparations to start for Shirdi for the marriage. The fakir also accompanied the marriage party. The marriage went off without any hitch. The party returned to Dhub, except the fakir who stayed back in Shirdi and remained there forever. How the fakir got the name Sai. When the marriage party came to Shirdi, it alighted at the foot of a banyan tree in Bhagat Mahalsa Pati's field near Khandoba's temple. The carts were loosened in the open courtyard of Khandoba temple, and the members of the party descended one by one, and the fakir also got down. Bhagat Mahalsa Pati saw the young fakir getting down and accosted him, Ya Sai, welcome Sai. Others also addressed him as Sai, and thenceforth he became Sai Baba. Contact with other saints. Sai Baba began to stay in a deserted masjid. One saint named Devi Das had been living in Shirdi for many years before Baba came there. Baba liked his company. He stayed with him in the Maruti temple, in the Chawdi, and for some time lived alone. Then came another saint by the name Janki Das. Baba spent most of his time in talking with him, or Janki Das went to Baba's residence. So also one Vaishya householder saint from Putambe by the name Gangagir always frequented Shirdi. When he first saw Sai Baba carrying pitchers of water in both hands for watering the garden, he was amazed and said openly, Blessed is Shirdi that it got this precious jewel. This man is carrying water today, but he is not an ordinary fellow. As this land, Shirdi, was fortunate and meritorious, it secured this jewel. So also one famous saint by the name Anand Nath of Yevla Mutt, a disciple of Akalkot Maharaj, came to Shirdi with some people. When he saw Sai Baba, he said openly, This is a precious diamond in reality. Though he looks like an ordinary man, he is not a dull, ordinary stone, but a diamond. You will realize this in the future. Saying this, he returned to Yevla. This was said while Sai Baba was a youngster. Baba's dress and daily routine. In his young days, Sai Baba grew his hair on his head, never had his head shaved. He dressed like an athlete. When he went to Rahata, 3 miles from Shirdi, he brought with him small plants of marigold, jai, and jui, and after cleaning them, he planted and watered them. A devotee by the name Vaman Tatya supplied him daily with 2 unbaked earthen pitchers. With these, Baba himself used to water the plants. He drew water from the well and carried the pitchers on his shoulder. In the evening, the pitchers were kept at the foot of the neem tree. As soon as they were placed there, they broke as they were made of mud, and not cake. Next day, Tatya supplied 2 fresh pitchers. This course went on for 3 years, and with Baba's toil and effort, there grew a garden. On this site, at present, stands the big mansion, Samadhi Mandir of Baba, which is now frequented by many devotees. The story of Paduka's footprints under the neem tree.
Hold the So, do we understand anything what Chand Patil's role was? Chand Patil's role. Chand Patil had lost his horse, searched for 2 months, could not find it, and all of a sudden met Baba and he gets it. Was it mere an incident in Baba's life or in Chand Patil's life? So we were discussing before, and I will come back to this. So,
Probably even God needs an introduction.
yes,
That's how
he
Baba
was made an instrument of introduction of Baba. That's right, and a huge message in both ways was that no differentiation of humanity to her. Who you are not, did not matter. A confirmation that yes, he is a great saint at that age also was confirmed by him. A miracle of pulling up a fire and a water from the ground. It's not a normal incident. Today, anybody, there are so many saints today in the world, right? How many of them can pull up that water and fire from the ground? Right? There must be something more supreme for him to do that. There were very limited masters like that who could do that. Not everybody could do that. Like another master was Guru Nanak Dev Ji could do that. Like they were not trying to showcase these things. They would not propagate or do that. It was just to believe or faith part of it in people's mind to do this. We only need to plant the teachings are being said has a meaning, follow that. He was blessed, honored for him, for Baba coming to his home, Baba going with the marriage, staying at Shirdi, being addressed as Sai. It's all identified people. We talked about it some time back. We were discussing yesterday and like to bring it up today also. Is that it is when it is always we discussed this before that we always say that we come empty handed and we go empty handed. That's not true, right? We don't come empty hands. Neither we go empty hands. You're talking about physical body. It's physical body is just an instrument for us, right? All of us there. We come with karma and we go with karmas. We are destined to be at destined places at certain days and time, and that is where we connect to people. Who says that, right? All the period of time when you get into things, you meet so many people. Like if you go back to few years back, how many of us knew each other? No. Ever planned? Like Deepak was saying yesterday, he said he never planned to be on the path like that. He never thought. Like all of you would have different paths to go. What I'm saying is that Mahalsa Patiji meeting Baba and calling him Sai. It's like I would call Vidurji coming as uh, Krishnaji's life, and then again Vidurji taking birth as when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, again taking a birth of a vegetable seller, again coming in Prabhu's life. It was not that anything else. It was that his devotion and bhakti towards Krishna, which he brought Vidurji back at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu time also. Same like Mahalsa Patiji and all these people, they are, see, once you get connected in a divine circle, automatically you get into that part. Automatically. Your devotion, bhakti puts you in that frame of work that any time in future also, if there's somewhere some placements to be done, the people who are connected with that full love and acceptance and surrender, they get another opportunity to be there because they lead a great example. Because they lead example of bhakti. So the beauty is when we come with karmas, prarabdha we call it, a destined journey we call it. But we have an opportunity to create the future prarabdha in a better way. We have an opportunity to improvise ourselves. We have an opportunity to grow beyond. We have an opportunity to get merged. We have tons of opportunities. Are we encashing them? Is the key is that? Are we thinking on a day-to-day basis that, we talked about it few weeks back, that 365 days are there. Are we taking one step a day towards Bhagavan? In any form of Lord you believe. One step a day. In a year, you have taken 365 steps. What does it mean? Just taking a footstep forward or one thought forward? One more step more on faith. One more step on patience. One more step of surrender. One more step every day. Why is this important? If we are able to, we were discussing yesterday, it's like if you look at ourselves over the period of time of our eating habits, whatever we were eating, few years back, are we able to eat the same things today? We are trying to modify, rectify, our eating habits now. We were able to eat spices and heck not anything, any quantity, whatever, tuck, 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 tuck. Whatever comes up, tuck, tuck, tuck. Drinking, whatever, right? Now we are becoming health conscious, maybe. Diet conscious, maybe. Try to improvise to see what my body needs to be keeping me fit. Like let Dina Ben, for example. I have to have a fast. I can live on this. I'm just saying. Like she decide, okay, was she doing this few years back? No. Whatever the reason is. So there's an improvisation sector. We start focusing on eating healthy. We start focusing on, I'm putting on weight. I'm getting older. My body cannot take the same quantity or quality. I need to, if we correct our food habits, why are we not correcting our thought habits? Why are we not correcting our whole process of taking one step forward? Why are we still in dilemma that please take care of this, please take care of this? Why? I'm not saying don't do it. Don't take me wrong. I'm giving you a bigger part of this. We are worried. And which is, as a human part, it is normal. Right? Whether it is my job, my business, my family, we all are worried in concern to family. It happens to be. But there is some kind of a builder inside us, which a message should come from us. Don't worry, I'm there. We need to bring ourselves to that point, is what I'm saying. Sometimes people say, why are you saying, it is a responsibility, we have to do this, I have to. No, yes, I'm not saying that. We discussed this before. It is not your main course. It is just a start or appetizer. Your main courses are different. We discussed this. We need to focus on our dessert. Why? Because the end of life and after the meal, after that is key. I heard this case just 2 days back. Somebody came and थोड़ी सी चाय डाल सकता है? So somebody came and was talking. Their mother was in India and very sick. They actually want her to leave her body the way she is going through. She said, we can't take that pain. We want her to leave the body somehow. They read that message of cancer and then they said, we came to pray. And then since that, it is coming up. We said, we'll pray to Baba. It should be okay. So what is needed, Putri? Now, they were crying and crying because obviously they cannot go to India. They cannot be here. Mother is suffering. It's a mother is mother, right? There's no replacement to mothers. We all know that. What do we do now? Baba said to them, first calm down. I understand the emotions. I'm not taking the emotions away. But can we turn that emotions into prayers? Can we dedicate a thought when you talk to we do video call every day. Okay, what do you do on a video call? Cry, make her laugh, make her talk. Wonderful. Can we can we do something chanting with her that time? Can we make her listen and do something that time? Why? Because if for a split second of her life she gets connected with Ram, a split second of that period when she's leaving, she's done forever. She's not going to come back. That soul is not coming back. Because at that split second, when the body was to be left, soul had to be departed, that one name took her away. But does it happen normally with people? No. Why? Because we never practice that all our life. We are always thinking about friends, even at the older age, trust me. Nowadays, also the seniors are more concerned about other part. Very few people. I have one mother, she's not called me for some time. I might call her today. They only want to do chanting. We have over just
But so is it right for us to ask Baba or Almighty when somebody is suffering to say, Baba, please take them?
so what we do. I told them clearly. I said, we're not telling Baba take her or leave her. If somebody's sick also, we don't tell Baba ki isko heal kar do. Nahin. We pray to Baba, we give our prayers to Baba, and you decide what is right for that person. We are not a decision maker. You can see the future. We can't see the future. We don't know the future. Let's be honest here, right? When we don't see something beyond, why do we talk? We are praying wholeheartedly to you to bless the person, and what is right for the person, do it. Never get into this. Never. Something what is right and wrong for us, we don't know, Raja. He knows everything. And this is not one. And sometimes you will get a message. When you are into that journey, you will get a message that pray, you'll get better. Sometimes this is a practice, Raj, I'll tell you. Tomorrow, all of you can come and be here. There's no rocket science. Trust me, there's no rocket science in this. It's a very simple connectivity connection. Simple. Tomorrow you can come and be here. Any one of you can be here. What is needed? It needs to be that complete surrender to Him and try to listen to Him from inside. Simple. Nothing is there. How much are you listening to your conscious is the whole answer. I don't know whatever other people talk about, but I only know you get the message. Yes, do this. Okay, do it. Something comes and tells you, okay, move this, move this.
मैं surrender like surrender yourself जैसे आपने कल भी बोला था कि हमें surrender like exactly आप
राजा क्या होता देखो, I'll make it easier मेरा बच्चा. आपको कर्म करना है तो करना है. वो एफर्ट आपके मैं ले नहीं सकता, वो एफर्ट आप ही के हैं. But when you have to walk on a journey and you walk on a path, supposedly, let me put it this way, state to you this way. Deepak, for you every day, this is what you have to do. That's it. It's finished. That there's no deviation. I'll give you example. I don't want to give you, but I will give you. This child sitting behind here next to Dinaben, Danny Dengzongko. Danny comes up, Danny Bijal, both children were here. Something happened. Baba said, no matter what happens, before going to work, you both have to be here. If you, anybody of your home person leaving home, have to come to Baba first before going anywhere. They did not question. They did not say yes, nothing. They didn't even utter a word. They were not in the country because it's a proud for me. I'm very blessed, honored. I feel my I'm becoming so broader. Siddhant, their son, he followed the footsteps. Because the parents said, this is our routine. This is what we told Baba. We'll be here every day before going to work. He would regularly come to Baba, do pranam, take prasad. Door is closed. Sometimes it happens. Take the mud from outside. That's your prasad on your forehead and go. This is surrender. They live in Caledon. The work is on Dixie and Dairy, and site could be anywhere. Sorry, Puttar, Jenny. I had no choice. I had to give an example.
It was a commitment.
It's a faith.
Faith.
It's a belief.
Just commitment with Baba or Baba.
Whatever it is, that belief that this is for our good. We believe this is for our goodness. Our family, ourselves are taken care of. Somebody's thinking of us.
जैसे आपने जो शुरू में कबूल किया.
वो अलग होता है. पहले बताता हूँ.
We say Mahamrityunjay. The mantra है. It's very powerful. So when we do Mahamrityunjay, we always think that we are praying for somebody, leave this world and be with us. Is my thinking wrong? Or when we do Mahamrityunjay, are we saying that we are chanting it to save him or to make his journey better?
Okay. So most of the time, the message comes to do what? Most times, the message is to do Mahamrityunjay or to do Gayatri or to do something. Sometimes, 10% of the time only, we get into when we are iffy. Our emotions are more stronger than what we are listening to conscious. We still go with Mahamrityunjay. Please bless. Please bless. Mahamrityunjay means life. Means life.
So when we chant Mahamrityunjay, it is not for, we are not fighting against the death or whatever it is, but it is just our faith to say, Baba, take care and whatever is best, and make his journey best.
We still do that, but Mahamrityunjay mantra is something which you chant. It is basically a life giver mantra. Intensity is very high, mera bacha. So super high. But Mahamrityunjay has to be done in a full, dedicated manner. Not just Om Tam Jama Sundar full dedication of thoughts aligned with that person for whom we are praying. Impact of the insight, obviously, mera bacha, but that person also has to be with you for whom you are praying. You can't leave that person. Thank you. I actually changed today a little bit. That's what I'm trying. So coming back to the point, Putra, when we come empty-handed. It's not right. We come with prarabdha, karmas, really everything is designed. Already, what do you call, the architecture and design is done. What, from where to you will go and how you will come back. It's all there. But the beauty is that journey, you can make it beautiful. You have to make it beautiful. You must make it beautiful. You must. Why? That if you leave a garden with roses, imagine your next generations and generations, they will continue to have that.
भाई जो present कर्मा जो हमारे चल रहे हैं, तो हम अपने कर्मा लेके आए,
हाँ?
जो present कर्मा कर रहे हैं for the next.
आप यहाँ बैठे हो, ये आपका प्रारब्ध है, लेकिन यहाँ बैठ के अगर आपका ध्यान यहाँ नहीं है, if your thoughts are not aligned, you are not 100% here, that is your problem. But if you are here and you're 100% here and you're really taking yourself to connect, you will start getting it, mere bachche. You will get it. I confirm you, the more and more you think about him, the more you talk about him inside with you, you will connect with him. There's no matter what. And the beauty we were discussing yesterday, and about Chand Patil and Baba, the first part is when your time is right, you will be connected to the person. You will be plugged in somewhere. But when you are plugged in, that should be it.
So yesterday I was, तो हमारी बात हुई थी, I was asking कि I never thought कि मैं ये इधर आऊँगा, कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ, right? So is that like मेरा past कर्मा का है, या तो
Yeah, obviously.
past कर्मा मुझे लेके आया यहाँ
Huh?
पर आप जो अभी करोगे वो कल का प्रारंभ है.
Your karma has brought you here, but from here going forward is what you do in the present.
So as you say, architecturally everything is done. So now passing through that, how we want to live, like I said, if you on the way we make a nice garden, this and that, and then go. So that is up to us. How we pass through there and how we.
वो टोकरी देना मैं तो दिखाता हूँ. अब वो टोकरी. As you said, I'll give you. I don't know. I just came in me. I want to do it. आया मेरे अंदर. यहाँ रखा. बैठ. मेरे अंदर आया. As you came, I would like to give everybody. So what I want to do, I want to give everybody fruits while I'm going. Why? गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा, निष्काम होके मैं दिन रात गाऊं, गोविंद दामोदर ये तुम्हारा, भूलो न भाइयों हरि को ध्याओ, क्या साथ लाए वो क्या ले चलोगे, गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलूं न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा. I'm shaken, Putra. I'm shaken. I could enjoy the presence of Krishna with this chakra, like it's beautiful, beautiful. My heart is pumping very fast with it. All of you can go beyond everything, Putra, everything. Trust me. You have the capacity, you have the capabilities, all of you have everything. Just need to nurture it, Putra. Just need to nurture it. Just nurture it. How when you cut vegetables, you throw what you don't want. Right? The roots of the spinach, you don't cook them. You let them go. The top part of the peppers, you take them off, the seeds inside. You don't keep them with you. You peel the potatoes to have the best flavor of it. You cut the onions to have that right part inside there. Why can't we do with ourselves? What's so difficult? Why can't I understand? One of the child says, "Ki bhai, I get very empowered by negative thoughts or other thoughts. One of the questions is, I get thoughts of lust. Baba said, you have to fight with it. There's nothing wrong. It's a human brain because that is what been fed in your life. It's okay. Now you can correct it. Throw them away. I can't throw them away. They're coming back. Yes, okay. Every time they come, start. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Yeah? Om Namo Narayanaya. 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 Satchidananda. This is a blessing. You can chant his name is also a blessing. He allows you to chant his name because what you have done, you made that connection with him. I can call you anytime, anywhere, and you have to come. You have to let me take your name, so you be there when I take your name. You be empowered. You be the controller of him. Don't let him control you. You control him. देखो डैनी हंसता है, पता है क्यों? उसे पता है वो कौन है, वो जानता है। ये तो हमारे बीच में बैठ के मस्करी करते हैं, लेकिन ये तो कल स्वयं प्रभु जाने लगे तो भागे बाबा नंगे पैर। तो बाबा को पूछा क्या कर रहे हो आप? बोले भाग भाग फटाफट चल। तो मैंने पूछा क्यों? तो बोले कृष्ण निकल जाएंगे, सुदामा चंदन तो लगा दे। बोले कृष्ण निकल जाएंगे, भाग सुदामा भाग।
नदी में आया था इसलिए कि आप दो कंट्रोल
हाँ,
in order to control him, you got to leave all other control.
you make him work for everything.
Yeah. वो इंटेंसिटी कब आती है?
Are you surrendered?
नहीं, जब आपके बाकी कंट्रोल आप स्वयं छोड़ देते हो।
मेरे बच्चे एक बारी वो हाथ आ जाता है ना, एक बारी, once, only once.
पकड़ने जाओ भाग जाते हैं।
किसको पकड़ने जाओ?
जब बुलाते समय वो आते हैं, पकड़ने जाओ भाग जाते हैं, क्योंकि मेरा भाव में कहीं प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है या कुछ समझ प्रॉब्लम हो, तो भाग जाते हैं।
भाग
पास आते हैं लेकिन फिर चले जाते हैं, रहते नहीं। पकड़ने जब जाता हूँ, आई डोंट नो, मोह वाला पकड़ने जाता हूँ तो क्या मुझे पता नहीं, निकल जाता है।
हम तो अपने रिश्तेदारों के साथ भी होता है, भगवान के साथ।
कहते हैं, कहा जाता है, मैं तो खुद अनपढ़ हूं, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन कहा जाता है, इट इज सेड, एक बारी, एक बारी। आप लोग मुझे मजबूर करते ना फिर से। मैं तो आई एम वेरी सिंपल कि आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले तो वीराने में भी आ जाएगी झूमने लगेगा आसमान। पुत्र, भक्ति एक ऐसी चीज है, द भक्ति इज वन वे। जब परमात्मा खुद तड़पता है मिलने को, हम नहीं तड़पते, वो तड़पता है। और वो इतना तड़पता है कि he would leave everything to come to be with you. हमसे ज्यादा वो तड़पता है।
पर आप पकड़ने नहीं जाते उसको।
पढ़ना पड़ता नहीं है।
वही ना, he is just around you. He's anywhere around
वो तो बात वहीं तो आ रही है कि एक बारी वो आ गया फिर वो कहीं नहीं जाता। Once he has come, he's come.
So भाई good question again. जो surrender है, मतलब surrender means every karma we do, every thought उसमें हमारा मतलब बाबा का
We need to be little cautious with that. Certain guidelines you have to follow is that मुझे ये काम नहीं करना तो नहीं करना, मुझे ये काम करने को मुझे करना है, बात खत्म। इज नो क्वेश्चन। आसान नहीं है पुत्री, आसान नहीं है। अगर कोई कहता है ये सब आसान है तो बिल्कुल नहीं है। ये गर्म चाय का प्याला नहीं है पुत्र की कप में डाला और पी लिया,
या कॉफी।
या कॉफी। ये पुत्र, ये चाय पीने का सौभाग्य तब मिलता है जब आप when you put that water on the heat and put different ingredients to boil to have a safer tea or coffee.
We have to burn ourselves.
Yes, we have to go on the heat to get all the essence of whatever ingredients you put. Whether you put a coffee or milk, sugar, it has to melt into that water to get you the flavor.
So the water has to have energy. Energy in any form.
Whatever you put to make tea or coffee, that has to get into that essence has to come out of. Abstracts have to be done to put into that water, and that can only happen when it is boiled properly to the best height. And the water's intensity is gone, boiling so much that the aroma has gone into the room. Then you can enjoy that cup of tea with all that ingredients in that, and that is what you have to be. You need to input different ingredient to start having that aroma of his presence.
भाई एक आसान तरीका सजेस्ट हो सकता है। Everybody is free to do exactly what they want. अब बैकग्राउंड में एक सिमरन हो सकता है, वो जितना लंबा चले, जितने भी we all do a lot of different things in our day-to-day routine, but the more you can have that Simran chant in your heart, that is probably the single most effective way.
वही तो बोला पुत्र कि जब वो थॉट आते हैं तो स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू दैट चैट।
That also will help.
जो आप
Continuation.
मनन अंदर से
whatever guidance, whatever it is, if it's actually Baba telling you versus it's your own mind.
So it's a very fine line. Very fine line. %99% of the time your conscious is the first one. Immediate, spontaneously. Correction, the modification is your brain. It is like justifying yourself right away. No, not that. Not that is your brain. Because whenever divine will give you a message, it will always have a benefit for everybody, goodness for all. Maybe supposedly, let me put it this way: you fought with your sister. Okay, you had an argument. You fought with each other. Doesn't matter who was right and wrong. All of a sudden, after some time, you get a message. It's okay. Go call her. Why? I didn't do nothing. Why me? I didn't even utter a word. Now you have already ruined that thought. It's gone. Overpowered by your brain. But if you would have listened that very first time, all this it would have been done. Doesn't matter. Who is right and wrong is nobody's asking you. Nobody's telling you to prove it. Just call. Call means call. Finish. Like me and Budia fight, right? We'll have a fight. So me, it'll come. Just call her. And I have made it a habit now. 99% of the time, I'll give her a call. Why? She's precious. Why would I lose? Okay, whatever happened.
regardless of what the other person's response is.
Doesn't matter. Overcome. Move. Because you have to move on. It's for your goodness. Moving on is for your goodness, not for the other person. What other person may acknowledge it right away. Finish. Move it. Right? No thoughts. Wonderful. But if it happens to be happen also, but you need to move on too. You can't carry that on. You can't hold that up because that is holding you, not holding anybody else.
As you know, when there is something important to you,
Come back, Krishna.
like one
I'll be
person in
back.
the crowd, he's saying something. How do you listen to that one person? Because there is chaos going on. A lot of people are happy. But you know that you need to listen to that one person, one sound, one command. So you pay attention. You try to focus. When you do that, what happens? There is, for that moment, you become stable. You become attentive. You discard other things. To be in that state, the longer you are, the more you listen. The chaos that constant that one single sound.
It'll come, but yeah, it'll come. And I really want all of you to get it. I really want all of you to get it. Why? Because at any age, the day and time you're able to get that connected, imagine how many people can you help. Remember the discussion we had yesterday, right? People questioning different ways. Doesn't matter. People are never going to stop questioning good, bad, or ugly. That doesn't matter. Whatever you, people will never stop. But if you are finding peace, if you are enjoying peace, enjoy that. How does it matter? Let's put, we took a shower, we came out. All of a sudden, there's a rain, and I want to take a shower. Who's stopping you? What will people say at home? You just took a shower. I want to take a shower. I want to enjoy it. Enjoy. Again, let's go back to basic. We have never come back empty-handed. Neither we want to go empty-handed. Every single second we will change our prarabdha. Prarabdha means our next birth karmas, what we need to give and take. We're only going to give, no take. What does it mean? So when you're giving, you're not taking, the karmas are becoming lighter.
वापस आना ही नहीं।
उसके लिए तो बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, उसके लिए तो जबान ही बंद करनी पड़ेगी। वापस नहीं आने के लिए तो हमारे हाथ में ही नहीं है राजा। That is one thing which is with him.
I was talking with my friend, so मैंने बोला उसने तो हमें यार मैंने बोला था आपको उसने वो बात तो नहीं बताई उसने बोला उसने यूनिवर्स के ऊपर तो मैं को समझ लाइक क्या
यूनिवर्स से ऊपर नहीं है. You can be mukt, but not moksha. Moksha is in his hand. If he thinks that you are so precious and gone beyond, to take you inside him, he'll take you. Sure. But that is, you have to work hard.
बाबा जी, बाबा जी,
मतलब ये जो कलयुग में चल रहा है हमारे साथ अपनी जो
कलयुग कहीं नहीं है पुत्र.
परंतु
हम स्वयं कलयुग है. The thoughts are kali. Simple. If you start chanting all the time, where did you see kali then? When you're looking at that, I have to give good. Where is kali then? Putter, rise above. Rise above. आसान नहीं है.
बाबा
आसान नहीं है. मैं तो भी इन फूलों को देखता हूँ तो I just get this part. Look at it. All the roots are giving everything to that one bud to blossom. Right? From the root bottom till the top. Right? Flower is right on the top. And that is where your Sahasra Chakra is. Here. You need to take out everything to be here. आसान नहीं है पर मुश्किल नहीं है. मुश्किल नहीं. अगर आपने सोच लिया कि मैंने I have to do my bhakti, my that is my part, I have to do it. But along with that, I'm going to do some more karmas day-to-day basis to overcome everything. Overcome my own thoughts, overcome my own objections, overcome my own self. That's it. Done. फिर क्या होगा? What will be next? Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। श्री सच्चिदानंद सतगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। साईं मेरा बच्चा।